Meg, and today I'm going to take you through a quick guided meditation to release stress and tension from the body. To start today's practice, find yourself in a cross-legged seated position and let there be a lengthening in your spine. Bring the palms of the hands to the tops of the knees and have them facing either up or down. When you're ready, shutting down the eyes and bringing your attention inwards. So start to observe any sensations in the body and start to notice what's happening in the mind. And then bring your attention to your breath, observing the natural rhythm and rate of your breath. And now begin to deepen the breath and lengthen the breath. So making the breath as long and slow as possible. So as you breathe in, feel the breath fill the lungs and the belly. And as you breathe out, feel the breath empty from the belly and the lungs. And continue just like that. Now beginning to scan over the body and allowing the breath to relax the parts of the body, starting with the feet. So observe and notice any sensations present in the feet. And as you exhale, allow the feet to soften. Moving your awareness up the legs to your shins, your calves, your knees. And as you breathe out, allowing the shins, the calves, the knees to soften. And then bringing that softening into your thighs, your glutes. Now observe any sensations in the spine and in the muscles of the back. Notice if you're holding onto tension. As you breathe out, allow the muscles in the back and the spine to soften, to relax. And feel the shoulders soften. Feel the neck relax. Bring your awareness to your arms. Let the arms become heavy. And allow the hands to soften, and the fingers. And now allow the muscles in your face to soften. The temples loosen. The jaw unclenches. The ears drop down. Take a long, slow breath in. A long, slow breath out. Now allow your mind to soften. So feel the mind drop down and drop back. Feel tension be released from the mind. Take another slow breath in and out. And if any tension has tried to make its way back into the body, just letting that go. A final slow breath in. Slow breath out. Bringing life back into the fingers and the toes. And slowly peel the eyelids open. Reorientate yourself to your surroundings. And continue with your day or evening as planned. Thank you.